Namaste, myself Dr. Deepa. Today I'm going to tell you a story of a 6-year-old kid. Uh, one boy was there and he had a brother, sister, and mother. At the age of 6, he lost his father. After that, till 16, he went to school. So, after 16 years, he dropped out from the school and he went for some jobs and all. In the age of 18 years, he got married, but in the age of 20, he got divorced. After that, his life was very struggleful. He was doing many jobs, and in many places, they are not encouraging him. And after that, uh, he will continue with other job, and many other things were happening in the life. After that, after many years, at the age of 65, he was working in a restaurant, and from there on, there also they told that your age is over, you can go from here. So he went to a place, and he was sitting and there, and he was thinking what happened in his life till this age, 65 years. What all happened in his life? Many things, many struggles, nothing good to tell like that. So by thinking, he realized that only his friends was encouraging with some positive words. Yeah, you are doing a good job in the kitchen. Your chicken is very tasty. You are preparing very tasty chicken, like that. So he was happy by that those words. In that time, he thought that, yeah, one more time I can try for my passion. Like that, he started a restaurant, but unfortunately it was not went gone very well, so he dropped that. After that, he tried to preparing some chicken dishes, and he went to many houses and he tried to selling it. But at the time, it was not it was not thought that it was a good quality chicken and all. So he started a tie up with some restaurants, but unfortunately he was rejected for 1009 times from many restaurants. After that, after this 1009 times, he started he got a tie up with the restaurant, but they told them by the evening only you can collect money for your food, like that. So daily he was going to that restaurant. Morning he will make the food and give to them, and by evening he will get the extra food which has leftover on that day. So after a few days, the leftover food was decreasing. The amount of those food was decreasing, and his food become very famous, popular at that time. You see, just it was in the age of 65 years, but that journey started there, and his name was Colonel Santos, and he has started the Kentucky Fried Chicken, that is KFC. And his journey started in the age of 65 till 90 years. They had 200 branches in 200 countries and 20,000 outlets all over the world. And he became one of the most uh, billionaire person. So this is the story of KFC. By these, what we want to learn, our life is also full of ups and downs. So always we can't expect, we can't expect someone will be there, somebody will be there for helping us and all. So whatever it is, we should move on, and whatever the condition, maybe it is positive or negative, we should move on. And uh, every time we are counting only our negative things. I don't have this, I don't have that, I'm not having, I can't do this, like that. Every time we are counting the negative things, but we should count our blessings very much. Next is we should pray to God to not to give problems, but give bearing capacity for facing the problems. That is the thing. And every time what we are doing, every time we will think what they will think, what they will think about me. Please delete all these thoughts from your brain. Okay. And next thing is, this time also will go, and other thing will happens in our life. So whatever may be the problem, it may be because of exams, or due to job problems, or any breakup problems, relationship problems, or any family issues, or any diseases, or unexpected death, or financial crisis, whatever it is. We can see this story of KFC. In this story we have taught that only in his story, it is in 65th year, 65 years old. In that year they had started their journey. So in our life we thought, we will think that by achieving attaining 50 years, we thought, we will think that oh, my life is over, like that. So it is very wrong thing. First we want to focus our goal. Next is whenever problems are coming, we should face it. And one thing is there, problems are not at all permanent. It will be rotating as a day and night. So we should be normal in our happy moments also. Normal means not that much happy, more enthusiastic. Okay, good thing has happened, as that only. We should be in normal way, while we will, if we will getting some negative things also in our life, we should control our emotions. That is the meaning. Next is focus on what you can control. None of the things we can't control, we can't do anything. So whatever it may be, we should face it only, that much only. And next is realize realize that you have come a long way. So by realizing that, you can go on in your life. So this is the topic. So don't give up. Your life is there, and if you're watching your pulse, that you can realize that it is there, and you can do whatever you want, but do it very nicely. So this is the lesson. So please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.